What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to transfer Google Authenticator codes to a new phone. So while we'll be using the same phone to show you this, you can do this when you have two phones, both the old and the new phone, in order to do a successful transfer. So on your old phone, you're going to open your Google Authenticator and at the top left corner, you're going to tap on the hamburger menu. Then select Transfer Accounts, and what you'll need to do while on the old phone is to export account. So tap on Export Account and this will create a QR code to export your accounts. So tap on it. You'll need to go through a security verification process and then right here you'll need to select the code you'd like to transfer. In this account we have about 5 codes and by default all of them will be selected. If you'd like to deselect some of them, you just need to tap on them and it will be unselected. Then we're going to tap on Next. This will present a QR code which we'll be using our new phone to scan. So while you have this on your old phone, you're going to go over to your new phone. So on the new phone, on your Google Authenticator, you're going to go over to the top left corner, tap on the hamburger menu, then tap on Transfer Accounts, and this time you're going to tap on Import Account where you get to scan the QR code on the old phone in order to bring the new accounts in. So we're going to tap on Import Accounts and then you'll need to tap on Scan QR Code at the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on it, you're going to face the QR code on the old phone and this will automatically transfer your Google Authenticator code to your new device. Alternatively, while you're in your new account, if you'd like to transfer the code from the old phone to the new phone, if you're using the same Gmail account, all you'll need to do is to sign in to the same Gmail account and it will automatically synchronize into the new phone. So these are the options available to transfer Google Authenticator code to a new phone.